Hey everyone, it's Jill Pantozzi. Happy 2017. I've been a slacker. I'm sure you've noticed. This is my first unboxing video of 2017. Very excited about it because it's from FanMail. The FanMail box, you might remember, they sent me one late last year sometime. Really great small company run by women. They support small businesses and they always have really cute fandom stuff. So without further ado, check out this box. Come on. It's got dragon scales on it. How cute is that? That's so me too. So the theme for this box is familiars and companions. So this sounds like it's going to be right up my alley, I think. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is cute. So the t-shirt. Appa and Cat Bus. Very cute. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. I see a Pokemon. It's a Poke Doll, to be specific. I am not the biggest Pokemon fan, so I couldn't tell you which Pokemon this is, but I'm sure some of my fans can. It's super cute, though. It's a nice, soft plushie. Oh, this is pretty. It's a necklace that, yes, it is an exclusive Sailor Moon inspired Luna and Artemis necklace. Kind of, it's hard to see there. I'll scoot up. It is a little moon. Very pretty. This is cute. This is the little card they sent me. Oops, sticker fell out. Oh, that's cute too. Fan mail sticker. What else? It is a Doctor Who quote from none other than Mrs. Donna Noble, or I should say Miss Donna Noble. It says, "I'm a human being, maybe not the stuff of legend, but every bit as important as Time Lords." That's very cute. Oh, okay, this is adorable. It's a niffler. No nifflers allowed, it says, so I'm sure you'll want to keep your jewelry in this so they don't steal it. Oh my god, nifflers are so freaking cute. And let's see. Oh, it's the Get Shit Done notebook and quote bookmark. Here, wait, I'll show that first. It actually says in gold on front, "Get shit done." Little quote there, and a little bookmark there, and it's mainly just little notes there. That's cool. And I spy a BB-8. Oh, this is cute. This is very cute. It is a pillow case for like a regular square type pillow. That is very cute. I actually have pillows this size on my couch, so I will definitely be using that. I just want to read the little note in here because it's cute. Oh, so this is the little card that tells you everything that's included in the box, but the cool thing about the fan mail box one is it gives you stuff to watch on television, movies, comics and books to read, video games, and these are all that are coming out in the next couple months or weeks, so that's cool. But the little hello here is cute. It says, "The sidekicks, pets, companions, and familiars who populate our favorite shows often don't get the attention they deserve. They support our heroes and heroines through everything. They give advice or sometimes just provide a stoic and comforting presence. We hope this box reminds you of the resilience of these characters." We also collaborated with Bookster this month to bring you a notebook that will help you in your day-to-day busy life and keep you company. Love and kisses, Rose and Jenny. Very cute. Thanks so much. Fan mail box, awesome. I'll put the link under the video so you can check that out. And also, they were kind enough to keep my code live, so you can get $2 off your first box with them if you use the code NerdyBird. And I'll put that there down below too, just so you can't miss it. All right, thanks everyone. I'll be checking you out soon.